Hey everyone, welcome back to ForexScholars. I hope you all are having a great week. So let's talk about what has happened in the markets today and how can we end our week in a banging manner. Now let's first understand that there was a GDP number coming in today at 7 p.m. and the GDP was lower than expected. The forecast was it was 2.9%, but it actually came out to be 2.7%. Now there are a lot of reasons why the economy slowed down. There are a lot of consumption issues. There are a lot of supply chain issues that have been coming. There have been a lot of issues in the auto industry as well. If you can know, you'd understand that the auto repayments are getting slowed down because people are unable to spend. People are unable to save any money, and that is what is creating the problem in the money circulation and in the supply and the demand chain as well. Not to mention, there are a lot of things happening in Taiwan. There are a lot of things happening in North Korea, South Korea, Japan, Ukraine, and the entire European Union as well. So all these things have indirectly led America to a bit of a problem in their GDP. But let's understand what has happened in the forex markets today. Dollar index shot up as soon as the GDP numbers came out, even though it did not actually shot up, but since the structure was quite bullish, all the USD pairs have become quite stronger. If you look at the Japanese yen, we can easily see that Japanese yen has been outperforming the USD pairs, and we can see that this particular OB right here is something that we can look to buy the Japanese yen, because other than that, everything else seems like a very big scattered demand to me, and I wouldn't be comfortable trading that. Now once we take a look at the USD CAD, it's giving a very beautiful setup. It's giving a very textbook setup. There are two OBs currently forming. If you take a look at the 15 minutes time frame, there are two OBs currently forming in the USD CAD, and we can look to trade both of them. This can be a very good trade as well, and this can be a banger of a trade, since this was the origin OB and it was not the reactive OB. So origin OBs always tend to work quite well than the reactive OBs. Now if we take a look at the NZD USD chart, it's very interesting. If you take a look at the 4 hours time frame, we can see that it is currently in a demand zone, and it is currently hovering near around an OB, and it is base building. So what can we do in NZD USD? First of all, we have to wait for a smaller time frame chalk in NZD USD, maybe a 15 minutes or maybe a 5 minutes strong chalk, and then we can find a very good trade in NZD USD as well. No questions asked. So as you can see, there was a solid OB in GBP USD, but it did not react very well in GBP USD. Even though the news came, no reaction whatsoever. So GBP USD again has to be watched out very closely. Even though it is very bullish, I wouldn't recommend longs. And the reason for that is, take a look at the EUR USD pair. Euro USD is way away from its very good demand zone, and I think Euro USD is gonna keep falling. I took a setup, but I had to exit it during the news because of its high impact. But this was a great OB, and Euro USD has reacted from there. This was a great OB, Euro USD reacted from there. So Euro USD is in a downtrend continuation, and that is the reason why I'm telling you to not trade Euro and GBP on the upside. Now if we take a look at the gold is just, I don't even want to say, but gold is just pulling shit at this moment. It's not gonna turn into bullish. It has been dumping quite heavily for a while now. No matter what OB, no matter what demand is there, we are unable to see reaction in gold. But this is again one more demand zone that we can try. That we saw some reaction during the news, and we again expect that something can happen in the gold as well. But we have to wait for a 5 minute or a 15 minute change of character. Only then we can go ahead with it. Now coming back to the last pair, GBP CAD, solid setup on a 4 hours time frame, great OB, great break of structure, breaking multiple highs, and I am very much confident on setups like these, because these setups are the ones that actually tell you that where the origin move is, and there is no reactive OB in between. So you get to trade directly from the origin OB, and then the chances of this trade running well is very high. This is a very high accurate setup, so you can definitely trade this. Now wrapping up, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Please share it to your trading peers. Please comment down your queries, your questions, your trade ideas, anything, your views on the market, whatever you have. It will help me a lot, and it will help you as well. And thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you in another video during the weekend. Bye bye.